everybody? This your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another video. So I'm here in my car trying to do a little sound test, trying to see how everything sounds. So hey, let's go for it, y'all. See what we get.
Deposit Photos Music. Deposit Photos Music. Deposit Photos Music. music. Deposit Photos Music. Deposit Photos Music. Deposit Photos Music. Deposit Photos Music. Deposit.
Alright, y'all. Y'all tell me how y'all like it. Comment below. Let me know now. Hey, Mark Woods. Hey, man, I'm trying to get my system right, man. I'm trying to be like you, man. Probably give me a little bump off with you, man. Man, bro, you know you got a good sounding system, bro. I'm trying to get mine right, though. But hey, look, y'all comment, like I said, man. Let me know what y'all think, man. I'm still in the process of trying to really get it tuned up, you know, right. You know, since I changed out pretty much the majority of my my rack back there. Pretty much everything is, you can say, new, if you want to. Pretty much everything is swapped out compared to my original setup. So, hey. It's coming along, though. It's coming along. Just need a little more tuning just to get it just right. You know what I mean? So, hey, until then, hey, look. It's your boy, DJ Ron the Mechanic. Hey, look. Hit that notification bell when I drop another video so you'll know. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hey, I love music. And if you love music, hey, keep in touch with me. This is DJ Ron the Mechanic, and I'm out.